How long should you sauna for skin benefits? Infrared saunas can improve skin health, including improving collagen production and elastin for clearer and younger-looking skin. Research suggests staying in the sauna for 15 minutes, at least twice a week at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, can provide skin benefits by improving circulation and blood flow, promoting sweating and helping to release clogged pores. Sauna benefits for the skin include improving skin growth, regeneration of skin cells, and detoxification for cellulite and scar appearances. A minimum of 2 times a week is recommended to see the results of skin appearance from an infrared sauna, and how often you should sauna is more important than how long you should spend in a sauna or how hot a sauna should be. Regular sauna exposure has a positive effect on skin physiology, including maintaining the skin's pH level and ability to retain moisture. Dead skin cells have a significant impact on skin appearance by clogging pores and causing blemishes such as acne. Infrared sauna can help clear skin pores and prevent blockage of the sebaceous gland responsible for creating sebum, making it an effective tool for acne treatment. Incorporating regular sauna use into a self-care routine can provide numerous benefits for overall health and wellness, including healthier, more youthful-looking skin. To learn more about the studies mentioned and sauna skin benefits, visit Clearlight Saunas.